Okay, folks, we're back yet again with another unboxing of this week's comics from Marvel and DC. We'll start with Marvel this time to kind of mix it up a little. I usually start with DC, so let's do something different. Okay, this one's got an envelope, or a mailer, whatever you want to call it. Gonna be just a few comics in here, maybe even posters. Oh. Star Wars Halcon Legacy Number 2. Is that is the regular cover with Aura Singh. Pretty cool cover too. So there's that. And The Marvels Number 9. Yet another beautiful Alex Ross cover. Invoice. Okay. This box is much heavier and should have more stuff in it, hopefully. This carton has been packed by Jimmy. All right. See how Jimmy did packing the carton. All right. Avengers Number 54. Obviously a variant of Rob Liefeld, Deadpool variant at that. So there's that. Probably only got one of those. And Avengers Number 54. This is also a variant. Here is Amazing Spider-Man Number 92, Point Bay. Point B-E-Y. Variant. I like that cover. Here's another 92 Point Bay variant. What's going on here? Oh, I'm doing a poor job here. The Eternals, Heretic. Eternals, the Heretic. This is a variant. Number 1, Eternals, the Heretic. Here is Carnage Number 1. Variant. I feel like Carnage has already come out. Maybe not. Pretty sure it did. Carnage Number 1. Variant. Here is a Carnage Number 1 variant. And here is a Carnage Number 1 variant. This is a Carnage Number 1 variant. See a pattern here? There's another one of those. Another one of those. Okay. Here's a Reckoning War Trial of the Watcher variant. Appears to be Peach Momoko art. Pretty cool Fantastic Four cover. And back into the box. Oh my. Oh, don't screw it up. Okay. I did screw it up. That's my fault. No one to blame but myself. Eternals, the Heretic. Number 1 regular cover. See if we can fix that. There, it's fixed. Let's take a look inside. That's the art for this book. Looks okay. Got several of those because Eternals are actually selling pretty well here. Reckoning War, Trial of the Watcher, number 1. This is the regular cover. Let's look inside since this is number 1. Oh, wow. All-star cast. So speaks Galactus. Got this action going on. A lot going on here. Looks pretty interesting. Avengers number 54. The Avengers are dead. Our reality is doomed and yours is next. It's very threatening. Avengers 54 regular cover. Let's see if we can get more comics out without destroying them. X Lives of Wolverine number 5. Is there more of those? Yes. Amazing Spider-Man, number 92, Point Bay, regular cover. There's those. Carnage, number 1, regular cover. So let's take a look inside of this one. Hopefully you've got some good art to go with the Carnage. People like Carnage. Looks pretty good. And more of those. So not a whole lot of different titles, but some good stuff. Let's move them out of the way and make way for the DC box. Here is said box. Box inside a box with bubble wrap. Hooray. What's this? More Wonder Woman tattoos? I think it is. Extremely well packaged, whatever it is. Mystery. Yeah, it's more of those Wonder Woman promo tattoos like they sent last week. Again, go to the Scott. Wow, what a nice bag they put that in. So there's that. Wonder Woman. All the world is waiting for you. All right. Sorry. Trying to get the comics out of the box. That's the hard part today. Okay. Here are some comics. Wonder Woman Evolution number 5 of 8. Wonder Woman number 785. Titans United, number 7 of 7. Robins, number 5 of 6. Flaps in the way. Yeah. Refrigerator Full of Heads, number 5. Is Nightwing, number 90. Justice League, number 74. That's a cardstock variant. Here's another Justice League cardstock variant for number 74 with Wonder Woman. Here's the regular cover for Justice League number 74. Black Adam strikes back. Dun, dun, dun. Rick and Morty Infinity Hour. Notice this is not Marvel or DC, it is Oni Press. So they have switched over to Lunar distribution. Here's a variant cover for that, Rick and Morty. No, that's not a variant cover. That's a totally different book. Right? Morty's Run. I guess we could take a look at the art in this. I expect it to look like Rick and Morty art. Yeah, no point in looking at that. We know what that looks like. Catwoman number 41. Blue and Gold, number 7 of 8. Batman the Knight, number 3 of 10. This one's got some issues, some problems, condition-wise. Batman Superman World's Finest, number 1. Tappy Tappy cardstock variant. And they're a little bit bent. That's not okay. Superman World's Finest is a different cardstock variant. Give it the tappy. And back into the box. Batman Superman World's Finest, number 1, regular cover. That's not regular at all. Nope. That's a variant. I don't think they'd put Jerry Seinfeld on the regular cover. But yes, that's Jerry Seinfeld. Let's look at the art. Lots of colors. Let's get the rest of these out while we still can. Okay. Flash, number 780, cardstock variant. And Flash, number 780, regular cover. This is part of the War for Earth 3 story arc. So if you got to catch them all, you need that one. Detective Comics, number 1057. Cardstock variant. And here's the regular cover for Batman Detective Comics. Number 1057. Soul Plumber, the DC horror title, number 6 of 6. Soul Plumber, number 6. Batman Superman World's Finest, number 1, another cardstock variant. And here's the regular cover for that. World's Finest, number 1. And there's one from Black Caravan. Rad Wrath. With a wraparound cover. Got some skateboarding going on there. There's the interior art. Kind of snazzy. Got a cardstock cover so we can give it a tappy. Yeah. Pretty cool. Okay, well that's it for the week. This week's unboxing. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you don't, I'll sing the Wonder Woman song again. Bye. All the world is waiting for you and the powers you possess. In your satin tights, fighting for our rights, and the old red, white, and blue. Wonder Woman.